Welcome back. A mobile diabetics unit was inaugurated in Goa by the MP of United Kingdom, MP Keith Vaz. This unit is one of its kind in the state. Keith Vaz has been the founder of Silver Star Mobile Diabetics Clinic, which has been handed over to the Apollo hospitals. This unit is to raise awareness among diabetics.
From now on, they will take responsibility for this unit and it will travel around testing people for diabetes. We've now got 4 vehicles, one in Leicester, one in London, one in Goa and one in Mumbai, which is actually called after a meetup. The 5th is going to be in New Delhi.
We plan to take this all over Goa in colleges, schools, parishes, and make people aware of what diabetes is and the complications it can have. Because here we see all the problems related to diabetes.
Kepe-Paroda Bridge is lying unattended since its commissioning in 1964. Locals face difficulties during monsoon season as the river overflow causes blockade for commuters during the monsoons. Locals have demanded reconstruction of this bridge.
This is the bridge at Kepe and Paroda. It is built above the Kushavati river. The bridge was built in 1964. Since then, the bridge has been lying unattended. During monsoon, the river overflows and the locals cannot cross the bridge. Nearby, Avde village gets isolated.
लोक बंद होता पण लोकां फायद्याचें कांय ना हिंगा आतां सरकारान तुजें चोचें कित्याक हेजे वयलें वचपाक त्या आटीन इस्कॉल आहा तिनूय इस्कॉल कॉलेजी मडगांव वयच पडटा उडेर वयच पडटा पूल बुडोल जाल्यार 4-5 किलोमीटर मुखार वयच पडटा तेणी सालीच्या भुरग्यांक जायना चड गरज भुरग्यांची
आमी हेच सांगता की हो पूल जो आसा ताका हायट दिवची नाजाल्यार न्यू कन्स्ट्रक्शन कितें तरी करचें कितें जाता तें सोल्युशन कित्याक तें लेवल जे आसा उदकाचें तेजे परस वयर आसचो ब्रिज इतलेंच मागता.
Locals claim that despite several complaints to the authorities, no action has been initiated. They have asked the government to reconstruct the bridge.
आता पावस चालू जावपाचो आसा तेन्ना आमी सरकारा कडेन मागता की हो ब्रिज जो पळय आसा तो ताबडतोब हाती घेवपाची गरज आसा.
Reporter Mayur Naik for Prudent.
BJP workers on Saturday organized different programs in the state as a celebration of one-year completion of the BJP-led government. Have a look.
BJP workers in Santa Cruz constituency organized various programs on first anniversary of Parikar-led government. Party workers helped people to avail benefits under various government schemes. A blood donation camp was also organized at Chimbel.
आमी ब्लड डोनेशन कॅम्प दवरलो हितून बरो प्रतिसाद आमकां मेळ्ळो हे आमी जाले कार्यक्रमाचो आढावो घेतलेलो.
A mini marathon race was organized by the BJP workers in San Andre constituency.
आज सबंद गोंयभर जसो हो वर्षपूर्ती सुवाळो जाता तसोच आमच्या सांतांद्रे मतदारसंघात सुद्दां आमच्या सांतांद्रे भारतीय जनता पार्टी मंडल तर्फे हो कार्यक्रम जाता.
Foundation stone was laid for Nala and Mapsa. The project is estimated to cost 11 crores.
जो म्हापसा शहराक जो उदरगतीचो आनी कितें इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर आहा त्या सगळे हेका आयज गव्हर्नमेंटान हात घातलेलो आहा. थोडीशी कामां आतां मार्गी लागलेली आसात. फिश मार्केट म्हाका पावसा पयलीं हे तुमकां मेळटलें. तशेंच इम्पॉर्टंट म्हणजे हांगा म्हापशान आमकां अंडरग्रावंड ड्रेनेज सिस्टम सेवेज प्लांट हो ऑलरेडी फाटल्या दिसांनी आमी फाउंडेशन घातलेलें आहा तेचेंय काम मार्गी लागलेलें आहा.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.